Yeah, I think we should.
Because even IIFA
Basically,
rocks.
तुम लोग हम लोग को ऐसा फील करा, हम लोग इतने बुड्ढे हो गए कि हम लोग को रॉकिंग चेयर की जरूरत है, जैसे वो बुड्ढे लोग ऐसा बैठते हैं. This is all a strategy. But I'll call you Chachu for the rest of this event.
Okay.
It's really uncomfortable. I think I'll also stand. Very, very happy to be here. Very happy to be a part of IIFA one more time. I think everybody has said everything that possibly can be said about IIFA. I'm performing here after, I think, 4 or 5 years. I've been hosting for the last 2 years, but now we have two psychotic people hosting IIFA, and I don't think me and Farhan can ever beat that. So I'm sure it's going to be very, very entertaining. And I'm really, really excited to see both of them do whatever it is that they're promising on the promos of colors that they're going to do, because they really need to do it. So wishing them all the best with that, and I hope that they get the world's forgiveness.
Yes.
And Arjun and me seem to be sporting similar looks. I'm glad I trimmed my goatee just before I came, otherwise we would have really looked very, very
We are actually Jodwa.
weirdly similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One question.
Yes,
I want
sure.
to ask you, we all love watching you dance. You love dancing. You love performing. Abhi bhi nervous hote ho when you dance? Tell us honestly. Do you feel that anxiety when you go up on stage?
See, when you once in a while stand next to, sit next to, act next to, talk next to Hrithik Roshan, it just reminds you of the fact that there's a very long way to go as a dancer. And I'm not saying this just for
easy
effect.
way out. Easy
I'm not
answer.
saying this for effect. Listen, I saw your first film, and I remember, you know, I just bought myself a sports bike and all. No, it wasn't your first film. It was Koi Mil Gaya. That was the film that I saw, and I just debuted and all, and I came on my bike and all that. And I came thinking I'm damn cool and all, I've debuted, man, I'm like in it and all. And I saw the film and I left in a rickshaw. Because I felt so depressed about myself as an actor. So Hrithik is amazingly inspiring, and seriously, seeing him dance is a learning experience every time. The amount of work he puts into his performances is really something to learn from. Everybody, all choreographers always tell me that, you know, the amount of time he rehearses is something they've never seen anybody else do. So there's a lot of effort that goes into what he does, and that's very, very inspiring. So yes, I do get nervous before every time I dance. And this year there's Hrithik Roshan as well, so I'm going to feel even more nervous, and I'm going to be equally excited to watch him perform.
You went on a bike and you came in a rickshaw.
Yeah.
I saw Kahuna Pyara and I wanted to wear that Jali wala t-shirt that he wore. So I have lost weight only to be able to wear clothes like that. When you remember that step that he does in that black shirt?
I'm going to leave this.
Okay, listen, no, listen. Once you have to do this, do that thing now for IIFA. Do that thing now. What you do in the climax of Kahuna Pyare Yaar. Are you ready? Can you feel it? Then let's go for it. Come on, do it once, man.
Okay, fine. You do with me.
No, I can't. Yeah. नहीं step नहीं था. But something you did say, you said something and all. I don't know. Do the step. What step should you do? Are you ready? Can you feel it? Then let's go for it.
Are you with me? Can you feel it? Then let's go for it. Yeah, dude.
Okay, then I can't do that, man.
So are you guys ready and can you feel it?
I was just going to say this was a good time for you to join them in a dance step.
नहीं औकात में रहना चाहिए लाइफ में. इसीलिए देखने में मजा आता है, करने में कम मजा आता है.